Jacksonville, Florida is a city full of adventure and excitement. Whether you're looking for a day at the beach or an afternoon exploring a museum, there's always something to do in this vibrant city. The Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens is a great place to start your day. With over 2,000 animals and 1,000 plant species, it's a wonderful place to explore with family and friends. If you're looking for some fun in the sun, Jacksonville has several beaches to choose from, including Jacksonville Beach, Atlantic Beach, and Neptune Beach. Swim, surf, sunbathe, or just relax on the sand. For those who appreciate art and nature, the Cummer Museum of Art and Gardens is a must-visit. With a collection of over 5,000 works of art and beautiful gardens to explore, it's a great place to spend an afternoon. If you're looking for something unique, check out the Riverside Arts Market every Saturday. This outdoor market features local artists, live music, and plenty of food vendors. The Museum of Science and History is another great place to spend a day with family or friends. With interactive exhibits on a variety of topics, including space, dinosaurs, and the human body, there's something for everyone to enjoy. See Jacksonville from a different perspective with a boat tour of the St. Johns River or the Intracoastal Waterway. You'll get a chance to see the city from a different angle and learn about its rich history. Finally, take a stroll through historic San Marco and enjoy the restaurants, shops, and theaters. It's a beautiful neighborhood with a variety of attractions to explore. Come to Jacksonville, Florida and experience all the city has to offer. There's something for everyone here, and you'll make memories that will last a lifetime. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications. This will ensure that you never miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support and for being a part of this amazing community. I couldn't do this without you.